That can sitting in your kitchen might have been sealed months ago. So how does the food inside stay safe and fresh?
This ordinary metal can is hiding an extraordinary engineering secret. The answer begins inside a factory, where thousands of cans move through a carefully controlled sequence. How can food stay protected inside metal for months or even years? And our journey follows one can, from empty metal container to finished food. Every stage has one purpose: protect what goes inside. Before metal ever closes around the food, the ingredients have to be prepared. First, ingredients are washed and cleaned under controlled conditions.
Machines then sort the ingredients, so the product entering the can meets the required specifications.
Some foods are cut into carefully controlled sizes before filling. Depending on the product, additional preparation such as cooking or blanching may happen before packaging.
At the same time, the containers themselves are entering the packaging line.
From the outside, the can looks simple.
But before it receives food, its condition has to be checked.
At the top is a carefully formed edge called the flange. That tiny rim will eventually become part of the mechanical closure. Now the empty container is finally ready to receive the food. The filling system now places a controlled amount of product into every container.
The product settles into the can while the filling system maintains the required quantity. For products packed with liquid, the surrounding sauce or brine is added as part of the controlled fill.
But the machine doesn't fill the can completely. That space is called headspace, and its amount is controlled because the contents can change during processing. With the fill complete, the can has reached the moment where metal begins to close around the food.
Above the conveyor, another machine feeds precisely formed metal ends into position. Each lid carries the geometry needed for the final closure. The lid now meets the can body. But this is not the seal. The real engineering is about to begin. This is where an ordinary lid becomes a highly engineered seal. The secret is a precisely formed mechanical interlock between the can body and its lid. In the first operation, a forming roll shapes the lid curl around the flange. Then, a second operation compresses and tightens the seam. A sealing compound in the can end also helps create the final hermetic closure. What looks like a simple folded edge is actually a carefully controlled mechanical structure. The container is now closed, but the factory process is far from finished. Next, many shelf-stable canned foods undergo controlled thermal processing. Inside the retort, the sealed containers are processed according to a carefully established schedule.
Once the chamber is secured, the controlled thermal cycle begins.
Heat is applied under controlled conditions designed for the specific product and container.
The goal is not simply to cook the food. Thermal processing is designed to achieve commercial sterility.
Temperature, pressure, and time are monitored as part of the controlled process. Once the required thermal process is complete, the cans move into controlled cooling.
Now the sealed containers must be cooled carefully.
The temperature drops gradually while the package remains intact.
As the container cools, pressure conditions inside and outside the package change.
That's why industrial cooling is carefully controlled, rather than treated as an afterthought.
Once cooled, the cans continue toward inspection. Automated systems can examine containers for visible defects and irregularities. For the seam itself, physical measurements can reveal whether the closure meets its required specifications.
Factories monitor characteristics such as seam dimensions, hook formation, and tightness. Automated inspection can be combined with physical quality control checks. Only after passing the required checks does the container continue toward its final presentation. Production information can then be applied before the finished cans are packaged.
The plain metal container finally becomes a recognizable, finished product. And the same carefully controlled sequence is happening across thousands of containers.
Robotic systems organize the finished cans into cases for transport. From individual cans to complete pallets, the factory maintains the same precision. And after all of that machinery, the final result still looks incredibly simple. But hidden behind that simple lid is a chain of preparation, precision filling, mechanical sealing, thermal processing, and inspection. So the next time you open a can, remember, you're not just opening food, you're breaking an engineered seal designed